Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley Bernard and today we are going to be doing my everyday makeup routine that I've been into recently. I've been into sort of really minimal, no foundation, just fresh, dewy looking makeup. So that's what we're going to be doing. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my First Aid Beauty Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturizer to moisturize my face and make it look very dewy before we go in with any makeup. Also to do this, I'm going to use the Mario Badescu Face Mist and the Caudalie Beauty Elixir to really hydrate the skin before going in with makeup. Next, I'm going to be going in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in their lightest shade because I'm so pale. And I'm going to be putting that under my eyes. I'm going to do it on my eyes as sort of a shadow primer and then the high points of my face as you see here. And I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender and really take the time to blend all of that out since I'm not wearing any foundation. I want it to blend into the skin seamlessly. Next, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Amber. I am absolutely obsessed with the undertone of this. It is a very cool toned color, and with my pale skin, I think it looks absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to be putting this on the perimeter of my face, my nose, under my lip, on my jawline, as you can see here. And then to blend all of that out, I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender. I really like a Beauty Blender to blend out the matchsticks. I think it works the best. And usually with the matchstick, I definitely recommend going in sections because if it sits on the face, it does end up being a little bit harder to blend out, as you can kind of see me struggling a little bit here to get all of it blended out. So go in sections, it makes it much easier than trying to do it all at once. Next, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Loose Setting Powder and this huge fluffy brush to set down all of the cream products that I just put on my face. I'm now going to put some blush on. This is the Tarte blush in Risque. It's a very nice natural blush in my opinion. I'm going to put this on the apples of my cheeks with my Sonia Kashuk blush brush. Next, I'm going in with highlight. This is the Laura Geller Gelato Swirl highlight in the shade Peach Glow. I am absolutely obsessed with this highlighter, and I'm applying this with a beauty blender. I feel that this gives a really smooth, flawless application, and it makes it look a lot more natural than applying highlight with a brush. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm applying it to the tops of my cheeks, my nose, cupid's bow, all of the usual areas. And now I'm going in with my NARS Laguna bronzer, which I love, as you saw, just to match my neck to my face. The Fenty Match Stick definitely darkens my complexion a little bit, so I want to look all one shade, so I'm putting that on my neck. And boom, eyebrows. I definitely struggled a little bit with my eyebrows, but I mean, they're on. That's all you can ask for. So now moving on to eyeshadow, I will zoom you in here in a sec. But I've been into super glowy, simple lids. So I've really just been doing like a shimmer. This is the new Tarte Chrome Paint in the shade Top Yacht. I'm just really concentrating this on my lower lash line and then I blend it out with my finger as you can see. I'm also putting it on my inner corner and kind of on my inner lower lash line there. It gives the lids almost a false like glossy effect that I'm obsessed with. I think it looks super fresh and just bright, youthful, all the good things that makeup can do. And now I'm going in with the Natasha Denona Crystal Top Coat. I love the undertone that layering this on top of Top Yacht gives, and adds a little extra glitter. So now I'm going in with mascara and then the eyes will be done. I've been kind of obsessed with doing two mascaras recently. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. It's a more lengthening and defining mascara. So I've been really enjoying going in with this one. And then the next mascara you'll see is the Lancome Monsieur Big. And it's a little bit more volumizing. So I love the effect of putting on the lengthening and then volumizing. Your lashes just look so long and fluttery and wispy and all you could ever want from mascara. So I've been enjoying layering those two for the fresh look that I've been going for. Alrighty, so the first two steps of my three-step lip process were a little blurry. So what you missed was me putting the Bite Lip Crayon in the shade Kava on for some color, and then using the Buxom lip gloss in the shade White Russian for some gloss, obviously. And what I'm doing here is adding the Stila Glitterati top coat, which is literally glitter in a tube for your lips. It's amazing. To the center of my lips to get like the maximum glossy, juicy effect. Alright guys, that is it. That is the final look. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. You can also follow all of my social media listed in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next one.